If you're in the property management game, you might have heard of Beds24, but does it really live up to the hype? Today, I'm diving deep into this platform to see if it's worth your time and money. Beds24 is a property management software designed primarily for short-term rentals, vacation homes, and hotels. Right off the bat, you can see it aims to streamline operations, offering features like booking management, channel management, and invoicing. The user interface is pretty intuitive, which could be a big plus for those who aren't tech savvy. You can easily sync your listings across multiple platforms, which is a real lifesaver if you're managing properties on sites like Airbnb and Booking.com. However, while the core functionalities seem solid, I noticed that some features like customizable reporting and advanced analytics could feel a bit limited compared to other more robust platforms. The intended audience seems to be small to medium property managers, but I wonder how well it would hold up for larger operations or those needing more advanced features. Overall, it looks user-friendly, but some areas could definitely use more clarity, especially around pricing and integrations. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Beds24 offers a straightforward setup and a decent range of features for managing bookings and payments. The ability to integrate with multiple booking platforms is another highlight that many users will appreciate. However, there are some frustrations too. The pricing structure seems a bit confusing at first glance, especially with additional fees for certain features. I also found that customer support can be hit or miss, which might be a concern if you run into issues. Larger property managers or those requiring advanced analytics might find Beds24 lacking. But if you're a small property owner looking for something easy to use, it could be a good fit. In conclusion, Beds24 has its strengths for smaller property managers looking for simplicity and efficiency. However, if you need something more robust or have a larger portfolio, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth a try, but just be aware of its limitations before diving in.